Now we can look at 3 problems. Determine the electrostatic potential energy of a system containing 2 charges, 3 microcoulomb, 5 microcoulomb, separated by a distance of 15 centimeter. How much work is required to separate the 2 charges infinitely away from each other? We have to find the work done. It is given as Q1 3 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Q1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Q2 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. And the distance is 15 centimeter. That is 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. We have the potential energy is equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to minus 9. That is, 9 into 10 raised to 9. It is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 15 into 10 raised to minus 2, and finally we will get the answer is 0.9 joule. That is, the work required to separate the 2 charges infinitely away is 0.9 joule. The next problem, 3 charges are arranged as in the figure. It is Q, 2Q and 4Q, 1, 2, 3 positions. EQ distance, they are at EQ distance from each other. This is an equilateral triangle, sides of an equilateral triangle. Assume that Q is 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 C and R is equal to 10 centimeter. We have the potential energy of this configuration. Total potential energy will be the sum of the potential energies of each pairs. We can pair each of these charges. That is, U is equal to U12 plus U23 plus U13. It is 1 by 4 by epsilon 0. First pair 1 and 2. Q and minus 4Q. Q into minus 4Q by R plus Q into plus 2Q by R plus minus 4Q into Q. This minus is not here. Q divided by R. That is minus 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 into 10 into Q square by R square. By simplifying we will get like this. It is equal to minus, this minus sign is here, and 1 by 4 by epsilon 0, 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 10 into Q square. Q is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 square divided by R. R square. 0.1 square. R is equal to 10 centimeter. That is, 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. 0.1 square. It is 9 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule. Okay. Next problem, 3 charges Q, 2Q and 8Q are to be placed on a 9 centimeter long straight line. Find the position where the charges should be placed such that the potential energy of the system is minimum. For the minimum potential energy, charges of greater magnitude should be placed at the extreme ends. It is placing in a straight line. For getting minimum potential energy, the charges must be of greater magnitude. That is, greater magnitude is 2Q and 8Q must be placed at the extreme ends. Let X be the distance of Q from 2Q. This 2 and 8 are at the extreme ends, and distance between 2Q and Q be X. Then 9 centimeter is 0.09. The balance length is 0.09 minus X. Okay. Potential energy of the system U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here pairing it separately, 2Q and Q1 system, Q and 8Q, then 2Q and 8Q another system, and corresponding distances. For minimum potential energy, du by dx must be 0. That is d by dx of this function. By differentiating and solving, we will get x equal to 0.03 meter. Thus, the charge Q should be placed at a distance of 0.03 from the charge 2Q.